Want to transform your dull skies into breathtaking ones? Let me show you how to use Photoshop's Sky Replacement tool. Let's begin. Go to Edit, Sky Replacement. This opens the Sky Replacement dialog box. Photoshop provides a library of preloaded skies. Click on the sky thumbnail to choose a preset, or click the Add button to upload your own custom sky. Under Sky Adjustments, use Shift-Edge to expand or contract the edge of the sky to better blend with your image. Adjust Fade Edge to soften or sharpen the transition between the sky and foreground. Use Brightness to lighten or darken the new sky, and adjust Temperature to make the sky warmer or cooler in tone. Use the Scale slider to zoom in or out of the sky to perfectly fit your composition. Select the Lighting mode to determine how the light interacts with the foreground using options like Multiply or Screen. Adjust foreground lighting to match the brightness of the foreground to the new sky. Use Edge lighting to add a subtle glow around the edges of the sky for a natural look. Increase or decrease the Color Adjustment slider to match the color tones of the foreground with the sky. To keep the edits separate from the original image, select the New Layer option. To apply the changes directly to your image, choose Current Layer. Once everything looks perfect, click OK to apply the changes. Experiment with these adjustments to create stunning results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips.